Rahul, this is a new political culture, spit and abuse. Absolutely. And you deflect every responsibility. As I said, this thing was the responsibility of the new government because, mind you, it is not who the police reports to. It is the Prevention of Corruption Act, which is administered by Delhi government under Mr. Kejriwal.
Absolutely.
His corruption helpline is supposed to do only this, and that helpline is dead.
Second thing, just to add
Congress and BJP
just to add to the point, when Kejriwal ji says the corruption's come down by 20-30%, when you all gave out your election results, the survey, he asked you for data. What is the data Kejriwal Saab has for his
that he conceded that he has no data.
When he conceded, when he claims a BJP MP MLA offered him 20 crore rupees bribe, wasn't it the duty of the MLA to file a corruption case, as Sudhanshu ji directly says, under the Anti-Corruption Bureau, which is under Kejriwal ji? So for today, when Ashutosh has no answers, all he will do is deflect the blame out here and selectively accept RK Singh.
You know, I just want to know, even if the Delhi police is not under you, what difference does it make? The Prevention of Corruption Act is administered by you. The Anti-Corruption Bureau is directly under the Delhi government, which is the Chief Minister's government.
We have accepted your point that the Delhi police doesn't come under Kejriwal, and I'm going to debate that later on in the program.
Yeah.
I want to ask you about the comment made by your Chief Minister on whether or not corruption has come down. Are you prepared to concede on the back of this investigation that the level of corruption doesn't seem to have come down? It's a very simple question. Don't go off on a tangent. I'm sure when you were anchoring shows and others came on your program, you don't like that. Just answer the question, Ashutosh, that you're being asked. Are you prepared to concede that what your Chief Minister said is not true?
Rahul, if we have started your show with certain assumptions, I can't help it. If you think the corruption is not done, it's your assumption. What answer you want? You want to listen a kind of answer from me, which is not done.
Okay. I want to bring in Maxwell Pereira and Majid Aruwala. Now, one second. I want to bring in Maxwell Pereira first. Is it fair even to expect, Maxwell Pereira, that the level of corruption will come down? We can hold Kejriwal to that claim, but the reality, as Ashutosh says, is that the police doesn't come under the Chief Minister. So you can't blame the Chief Minister for what the Delhi police is doing. Sudhanshu Mittal has a counter argument. Where do you stand tonight? Mr. Pereira.
Rahul, all that I want to tell is ultimately this is a battle for control of the police. And all police reforms are to remove this, unhealthy control. This is precisely what has been. Everybody wants to control the police so that they can use the police for their own use and not for the use of service to the people. And this is exactly how it is proved.
But what is very clear from this investigation, Mr. Pereira, is that the cops are exceedingly crooked. They are taking money not to lodge FIRs. Obviously, when Kejriwal's blood boils, it's for a reason. The current system is not working. The Ministry of Home Affairs' supervision is abysmal. No one's scared. Look at how brazen the level of corruption is.
Shall I also request you not to interrupt, please?
Go on.
Because if you are not letting me to complete my sentence and butting in between, I won't be able to really make my point. And please listen to me. All that I made, the first point is about control. The second is about police reforms. I want to compliment you, I want to congratulate you on your sting operations, but ultimately, this is an agenda-based, what can I say, sting operation. There are, for every single corruption case that you are, coming out with, there are thousands of other services given by the police to the satisfied people, and if that is something that you had also,
No, this is the strangest thing. Ashutosh says we've got an agenda against the Delhi police. A former Delhi police official says we've got an agenda against the Delhi police. This is ridiculous. One is alleging one agenda, the other is alleging completely the opposite. What you're saying, both of you together, makes no sense. We are doing good journalism, and you need to respond, Maxwell Pereira and Ashutosh, to the question that you're being asked, instead of coming up with completely bogus responses.
I have told you, there is a corruption, there is corruption, the sting operation is a good thing. We are happy. The Delhi police spokesperson has already said that the people found in this sting operation will be suspended and cases of corruption will be registered against them. Now, that is action, but there is also other aspect of it. Every person who is facing an issue of corruption, when he goes to the police station, there is a board there giving you numbers of the senior police officers. Did you try to ring up any of those senior police officers? Did you go to the other avenues available, the CBI, the Delhi anti-corruption, whatever avenue? Did you do that? I mean, this is a sting operation. I called it an agenda because you did not do that. You had avenues
Last
to
I
go
checked,
and not
it's not
be
my
corrupt.
job to do the CBI's job. The CBI is supposed to do its
No,
job. My
no,
job and the
no,
job of
no,
my
it's your
reporters
job
put
that are
stories.
there. The numbers,
If you can't get your
numbers are
job,
there for
if
you
your
to use.
officials, Maxwell Pereira, are corrupt,
numbers
if they
are
are
there for you
crooked,
to
if they are
use.
charging money,
Please remember,
those are
next time
problems
go
that
to a
you need
police
to deal
station,
with, Maxwell
if there
Pereira.
is an issue of corruption, please go and use those numbers. Ring up the senior officers and tell them that this is what is happening in your police
Maxwell
station.
Pereira, those
Can
senior
I
officials
intervene?
And you
who
don't
should
do
be
that, and
preventing
you know
these
you are
acts of
levelling
corruption
allegations.
are clearly not doing their job, which is what gives
This
the
is an
confidence
agenda.
to the
You have a
SHOs to
sting
ask for money
operation,
in the
that is
fashion
the
that they are.
agenda. Because you are not really want to remove the corruption. You do not want to use the avenues which are there to remove corruption. You want to
Maxwell
have
Pereira, that's
your
the job
sting
of the joint
operation to
CP.
show your
That's the
success,
job of the additional
isn't it?
CP. That's the job of the police commissioner. Where are
Exactly,
they?
but-
Why
but
aren't they
it's
doing
your
their
job.
job? How is
It's
it the
your
job of a
to call the
reporter to
additional
try and
CP.
take on these
It is
people? Our
your
job is to put
call
the story
joint
out.
CP. You hadn't done that.
Can
It
I-
is your
Maxwell
job to call
Pereira,
when there
that's
is
the
an issue
job of
corruption.
senior
Why
police
do you think those
officials
vigilance numbers
in
are given to
positions
you?
similar to the positions that you've held in the past. It's the
Why do you think
responsibility
those
of others
numbers
who
are
are in your
given to you?
position to prevent this corruption, not
Do you
that of our
bother to even
reporters, sir.
call a single number? You need not have paid the bribe if you had called that number. But you
How
want
would
to
that
see
have
the
changed
bribe
anything,
is
Maxwell
paid
Pereira? What would have
for your-
turned on
for
that?
your footage,
If we had
for
caught, if we had called that telephone number, nothing would have happened. Now that the story is out, at least action will be taken.
So is prevention better
I
than
think we are digressing.
being a party to it?
I don't agree at all with what you're saying.